Hello there, this is Shannon Bowdy with Keller Williams, the Pismo Beach Homes team. I'm outside our listing at 2558 Lancaster Drive in Arroyo Grande. Let's take a look inside. There's a spacious kitchen with plenty of cabinet space and a kitchenette. There is 1, 2, 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. This home has new flooring and paint throughout, and look, a cozy fireplace. But let me show you my favorite part. Not only does 2558 Lancaster Drive have a spacious fenced-in yard, but look, there's a she shed. If you want to see this house, we'll have it open both Saturday and Sunday, and we'll be happy to show you 2558 Lancaster Drive. Once again, this is Shannon Bowdy with Keller Williams, the Pismo Beach Home team.